Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this, or the MBUX audio system in this 2021 Mercedes GLC. So from any screen, let's just go. We're on nav. We're on nav there. We go to telephone, click on telephone. You've got call list, contacts, add favorites, and so on. Over here, you've got a little cog, settings. So we click on the settings. That's for my phone, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. We want general. You've got device manager there, my devices, connect new device. Device manager, my devices. That's bringing up a list of phones that are paired already. What I need to do now, Barry's iPhone, that's the one I want to delete. Click on the three dots, disconnect, deauthorize. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize the following device, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system, the MBUX system in this 2021 Mercedes Benz GLC. So first of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, there's all sorts of ways to get to it. You can click on home there, and then across the phone. But as you can see, I'm absolutely useless at that. You can do that, or you can just click the telephone button here, which gets you to basically the same place, and you've got connect device there. Now it's touch screen, connect new device. You can now connect your vehicle, MBUX 36994. We'll just be watching out at the bottom here, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Let's just see, flip that across there, and then click select, MBUX 36994. We'll just wait to see what happens over here. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request 244180. Confirm the passkey, so pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it done. Let's just find it. MBUX 36 connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile phone through the MBUX system in this 2021 Mercedes Benz GLC. So if we go to music, click on music, we'll click that tune there, click play. I'm going to turn that down, turn it down. If you look at the bottom here, there's a silver triangle with three silver circles. If I click on that, it's only showing iPhone. So the only thing I can play any music through at the moment is iPhone. What we need to do, we need to go over to the center console. Oops, you'll see there radio and media. Click on radio media. Bluetooth, USB online music. It's on online music, so we need to click Bluetooth. And you can do that with either touchscreen with your fingers. You see there, MBUX has come up. The Burmeister speakers in this car are absolutely awesome. They really are fantastic. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2021 Mercedes Benz GLC. It's dead easy. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Navigate to McDonald's.
Here is what I found. Where do you want to go?
Number 1.
I am calculating the route. Take the second exit at the roundabout and continue to follow A675.
Easy as that. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Cancel navigation.
Cancelling route guidance.
That's the easiest way to do it. The other way, let's just go out of navigation. So to find navigation, let's whiz along there. To find navigation, you click on, just move that out of the way. You click on the home button, brings up this screen, and then just I am absolutely useless with this. It's like a haptic touchpad. So select navigation. You've got where to down there. It's already on where to. So you can also click without taking your fingers or your hands off the steering wheel. I can also move that from here. I find this touchpad on the steering wheel to be a heck of a lot better. So where to, click. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, and then let's see, P. Where's R gone? Where's R? I've lost R. Do you know? Oh, it's up there. R. Now we need to go to numbers. Numbers are down at the bottom here, so across to numbers, select numbers, and then back up. PR5. 4. Will it default back to letters? No, it won't. So we go over to letters again, onto there. PR5, 4E. Oh God, I'm useless. A. PR5, 4EA. Now it's thinking about this. A675 Preston, Blackburn Road Preston, and so on. It's all saying 100 yards. So from there on, you can choose which one of those you want. It's giving you a choice of the things, but I'm going to choose that one. They're all the same. Click on that. Blackburn Road, destination details. That's the navigation.
Your route is being calculated.
Just click
Take
to select.
the third exit at the roundabout and continue to follow A675.
That's it. So you can do it. You can just tell it where to go. You can do it with this sensor to say that it's. I'm too ham-fisted because you can slide along like so and then press it to select something. I can't work that. It's too advanced for me. By far the best system, in my opinion, is the Apple CarPlay. Now this has Apple CarPlay. It's only got the USB-C socket or input. So I've got my old charging lead here. My new iPhone 13 has got one of these USBs, but that's at home. So I've just put the adapter on there, click it in there. Then if I see that's just touching it and it's moving. Anyway, then we plug that in like so. So that's brought up CarPlay. Now if I click, well, I can use this, look, to go down to the proper display. So that mirrors my phone. I can use that. I can use this to navigate through. You know, you've got Amazon Music there. You've got Audible, WhatsApp. Now I can put my phone. I don't need to once it's connected. I don't need to use my phone at all. And also, you don't need to touch anything. In order to say something, you've got voice navigation here, or you can say "Hey, SIRI," and it will wake the phone up, and then you can tell it. But what you can also do, you've got voice activation here. You click that button up like so. Navigate to McDonald's.
One moment.
That's not a good sound when it says that.
One option I see is McDonald's. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's. Starting route to McDonald's.
That's it. A button with go comes
Head
up.
northwest on Blackburn Road.
You can either select the go and just click yes, or leave it and it will automatically go. We'll just cancel navigation.
Route guidance not active.
Send text to Barry Crampton.
Which of these should I use for Barry Crampton? Work phone, iPhone phone, work email, or personal email?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Hey Baz, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes Benz GLC.
Your message to Barry Crampton says, "Hi Bars, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes Benz GLC. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
You'll now see I've just received a message from myself. Barry Crampton messages, so you can either click there or read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. "Hi Bars, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes Benz GLC. Would you like to reply?"
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So you can do all that without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Again, 2-second press on the voice activation. So click up there. Call Barry Crampton iPhone.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting,
There you go.
press 1. To delete it,
I'm
press
phoning
2.
I'm phoning my
To
own
listen to it, press
number.
3.
Well, that's how easy it is.
You have a temporary greeting.
Just knock that off. It's so simple. It's a great system, and it's getting better all the time. To go back to Mercedes Benz, just click on it like so. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.